Now we have a question, write the following in logarithmic form. That means exponential form. The question is given in the exponential form that you have to write in the logarithmic form. So the question is here, write the following in, write the following in logarithm form. Logarithmic form. The first one we have 7 equals to 2 to the power x. 7 equals to 2 to the power x. What will be this? It is given in the exponential form. That means 2 to the power x is equals to 7. This way can we write? Yes, both are equal. Na? Now, what is the general form? You have to apply here general form so that we will not do any mistakes. The general form of exponential. This is in which form? Logarithm form. A to the power x is equals to n. This is the general form. Write the following in logarithmic form. This you have to write in the logarithmic form. What is it? Log n base a equals to x. I told you na, exponent is the answer of logarithms. Now 2 to the power x is equals to 7. This you have to convert in the logarithm form. What is a? A is 2 here. Logarithm in the short form we are writing as log, base is a, 2, n is 7 is equal to x is x here. Log 7 base 2 equals to x. In the question they are not asking to find the value of x, they are asking you to write this question in the logarithmic form. So, this is the logarithmic form. Log 7 base 2 is equal to x. In the logarithm form it is we have written here. We have another question, that is 1 by 81. 1 by 81 equals to 3 to the power c. How to do this? This is x, this is n, this is a, this is x. Write this. 3 to the power c is equals to 1 by 81. That is a to the power x is equal to n, exponent form, convert in the logarithm form. Log base a, n is equals to x. Before we apply here, we will solve this answer, or else after that also we can solve. That is, let us apply first. Let us see. 3 per c is equals to 1 by 81. First we will apply. Then it is log a is 3, n is 1 by 81 is equal to x. Now 81 is there. What we can do with 81? 81 in the previous question 7 was there. We can't factorize that 7 because it is a prime number. 81 we can factorize. So I am factorizing this. 3 to the 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 81 I can also write as 3 times 3 times 3 times. That means 4 times it is coming, 3 to the power 4. Here 81 is there, that I can also write as, see here, this log base 3 1 by 81 is equal to x. This we have written in the form of logarithm. Now after writing this, we can also solve this 81 because we can factorize 81. If it is prime number, if we can't factorize, we have to stop the answer. But 81 is there, we can factorize it. So we are factorizing 81 we can write 81 as 3 to the power 4. Let us continue this. We will not stop here, we will continue this. Log 1 by 81 base 3 is equals to C. So what we can do? We can write 81 as 3 to the power 4. Log 3 1 by 3 to the power 4 is equals to C. Okay. Now this is an exponential form, no? That is, we have this a power minus m, we can also write as 1 by a power m. Log 3 power 4 we can also write as 3 power minus 4 is equals to C. Okay. 3 power minus 4 we can also write as 1 by 3 power 4, we can also write as 3 to the power minus 4. Now after that we are also having some logarithm laws. Okay. That I will explain after this. So here that only we are using this power minus 4, we can shift here. Minus 4 log 3 base 3 is equals to C. Here both are same, na? 3 and 3. If both are same here, a and n, if both are same, you will get the 1. You will get 1 as an answer. So minus 4 into 1 is equal to C. That means 4 ones are 4. Okay, minus 4 is equals to C. So the value of C is nothing but minus 4. If it is possible to solve, we can solve that and get the value of x. Logarithms, why we are doing? To get the value of exponent only, na? What was the question? The question was 3 power C is equal to 1 by 81, right? That is a question, na? So why we are using logarithms? To get the value of exponent. Here the value of exponent is not given, so we have to find that also, na? So we got C equals to minus 4. In the previous question, that is 7 equals to 2 power x. Because here we are getting, it is easy to solve, we got the answer minus 4, direct easy answer we got. But in this type of questions, 7 equals to 2 power x, log 2 7 is equal to x. In this kind of questions, we can't get the exact answer. It is somewhere like non-terminating, irrational numbers it can be, rational or irrational also, non-terminating, non-recurring or non-terminating recurring. So this kind of questions, it is not easy to solve, but we can say that x lies between which numbers, that in that way we can do. So we have to stop that answer over here only. But now in this question we can, it is easy to solve to get the exact answer. So I have solved this, we got the exact answer as C is equal to minus 4. The value of the exponent is minus 4, we got the exact answer. Now we have the question, write the following in the exponential form. Previously we have a question, writing the exponential form in the logarithm form. Now we have writing the logarithm form in the exponential form. Let's have the question. Write the following. The exponential form. Log 32 base 2 is equals to x. Look, this is a logarithm form that you have to convert in the exponential form, right? Let us write the general form. Log base a n is equal to x. This will be giving rise to means exponential form, a to the power x is equals to n. Writing the logarithm form in the exponential form. Log n base a equals to x. General form, first you have to write the general form so that you can easily convert them in the exponential form. Now what is the question? Log of 32 base 2 is equals to x, that we can convert in the form a. A is 2 to the power x is equals to n. What is n? 32. 2 to the power x is equals to 32. After getting this, can we try to get the value of x? We can stop the answer over here. But if it is possible to solve, if the value of x is easier to get, then we have to solve and get the value of x. Now how to solve this? Can we solve? Let us see. We will try to solve. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. That means 32 we can write as 2 5 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now after looking at this, we can easily get the value of x is nothing but 5. Look here, left side is 2, base is 2 is equal to right side, base is also 2. Here base is 2, here base is 2. The base should be same. Then only the exponents are equal here. Then only we can say x is equal to 5. Suppose if we get 3 also here, then bases are not same here. We can't get the value of x. You have to use another method to get the value of x. But here easily we are getting that. Easily we can say that the value of x is nothing but 5. That means x is equal to 5. Okay. Here just you have to substitute, you have to convert this logarithm in the exponential form. After writing in the exponential form, we got the value of x also 5. So this is the first one. Next one we will do. Okay. Now we have another question. Log 1 by 343 base 7 is equals to minus a. This is the question. That means it is in the exponential form, it is in the logarithm form. That logarithm form you have to convert in the exponential form. Okay. So same method, that means we will use the same general forms of exponential and logarithm. General form you have to write down log n base a is equal to x. That you have to convert in exponential form. A to the power x is equals to n. In the exponential form you are supposed to write. Now what is it? Log a, in the place of a you have 7, in the place of n you have 1 by 343, in the place of x you have minus a. Don't get confused between this a and this a. That is why we are using the general form. So x is nothing but minus a based on the general form and based on the given question. Let us convert. We have a as, okay, so what is a we have? A have 7. A is 7 here. In the place of x we have minus a. Minus a, and that is equal to n. N is 1 by 343. 1 by 343. Right. Now we will try this to get the value of this exponent, this value. Using logarithm we can solve, or using exponential form we can solve this. We will solve this to get the value of exponent. Because we will try it. Suppose if we are not getting, we have to just stop, we can stop answer over here. Because the answer will be there somewhere, but it can be terminating, non-terminating, decimal form. So decimal form value, it is not easy to get, or else we can find that this exponent can lie between which two numbers, that we can find. So let us try, can we get the answer of this? 343, last digit is 3, we can't divide it by 2. 3 also, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 13. We can't divide by 3. Let us check 7. Because 7 is there, we want base here, same 7. If it is, if we are getting 7 only, then we will try this to get the value of exponent. 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35, we can't take. So 7 4 is 28. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. The remainder here we are getting 6, 63. 7 9 is 63. Yes, we can divide this by 7. 7 into 49 is 343. Now 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. We are getting 1. So this is the factorization of 343. 343 we can write as 7 cube. 343 we can write as 7 cube. Okay, that is 7 times 7 times 7. 7 cube we can write. That means 7 to the power minus a is equal to 1 by 7 power 3. Are we getting the same bases? Tell me. Here base 7 is there in the numerator. Here 7 is there in the denominator. That 7 we can also write as 7 to the power minus 3. Can we write this? Yes, because we have a law, exponential law we have, that is a power minus m is 1 by a power m. We have this exponential form. 1 by a power m we can also write as a power minus m. This law we are applying here. Okay, got it? So 1 by 7 to the power 3 we can also write as 7 to the power minus 3. So 7 to the power minus a is equal to 7 to the power minus 3. You can see that bases are same here. Here also 7, here also 7. Now we can equate the powers. That means minus a is equals to minus 3. Minus minus get cancelled here. That means the value of a is 3. This a is nothing but an exponent. Okay. So this value we have to find out, the value of minus a. Here we got the value of a is nothing but 3, right? Hope you have understood this problem. How to convert them, how to convert the logarithms in the exponential form. There are so many questions, questions are there in the textbook like this, that is converting logarithm in the exponential and exponential in the logarithm form. And also there are questions to get the value of this exponent. The value of this exponent you have to get. That also you can do using same method. You can use the general form of logarithm and exponential form. You have to practice all these questions, then only you can be perfect. Hope you have understood this question. Okay, now we have the properties of logarithms. We have used 1 or 2 properties in these problems. Now we have some properties of logarithms. Okay.